You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this fallen police officer. I know, unfortunately, her name has been mispronounced a few times, but let's clear things up. Deidre. Deidre is how you say this Irish first name. Deidre Mengedoth. Deidre Mengedoth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.